How to turn on pop-ups on Google Chrome. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can allow pop-ups on Google Chrome on your phone. If you guys didn't know, then Google Chrome basically blocks the pop-up and redirects while you're browsing by default. So if you want to allow them, you can just follow these steps. First thing first, just open your Google Chrome. And once your Chrome is open, what you want to do is tap on this little three dots on the top right corner, and from here you want to head over to your settings. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. Alright, let's continue. Once your settings is open, what you want to do is just scroll down a bit until you see site settings. So it's right under the advanced section. Scroll down, you will see this site settings. Just tap on it. Now you just have to scroll down again, and under your content section you will see pop-up and redirects. As I've already told you, it is blocked by default, so Google Chrome will by default block all of the pop-ups and redirects that are shown on the websites. So in order to allow them, you can just toggle this on, and now all of the pop-ups and redirects are allowed. And that's how you can easily allow or disable pop-ups on Google Chrome Mobile. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.